Hello everybody. Do you know what we are going to make? Our favorite sea animal. Do you know who it is? It's a dolphin. Do you love dolphins? It likes to play with balls, jump, and so let's start making the dolphin.
Wow! Let us start making
the cartoon dolphin.
Yay!
Do you love cartoon dolphins?
So how do we make? So we make up the head portion a little round,
Yeah, a little.
and then we bring it down. Yes. Then from here we make another line. We will leave some space for the fins and we bring it down. Okay, now we make the nose and the mouth dolphin, and then we again bring it like this and take it to the bottom and merge it here. Okay, make the fins. We make the fins. Make the eyes.
Let's see.
Wow, you're done?
Yeah. I'm not done with the eyes part.
Okay. Yeah. And the tail fin.
It's looking, the dolphin is doing like this. Oh.
Ooh. And some water splashes.
Yeah, and some water splashes. And he's jumping out. This one was a very big water splash.
So such a quick drawing, isn't it? And let us now color it with.
Blue only.
But a dolphin is not blue color.
Yeah.
No, it's light grey color.
I think a dark blue and a little light blue. Just check.
Let's color with blue only.
was your drawing? Nice. This is my drawing and this is my papa's drawing. What do you think who is better? Tell me in the Instagram and like and subscribe my channel to see more drawing ideas. Thank you. Bye bye.